SCP production. Made by Trevor Henderson, Creatures and SCP. Trevor Henderson. Today we're gonna talk about Giants of Trevor Henderson, Creatures. Today's creature is Giant Puppeteer. Giant Puppeteer. Facts about Giant Puppeteer. The Giant Puppeteer depicts a tall, skinny, human-like creature with light blue skin. It appears to have the head shape of a bird, but it does not possess any facial features. It appears to have a small prick at the end of this beak, which may be some sort of proboscis. Giant Puppeteer attack. The Giant Puppeteer, like other giants, possesses the ability to unleash mass destruction, overwhelming civilization with its colossal presence. Its string-like appendages serve dual purpose. They snatch up any unworthy humans within reach, manipulating them as lifeless marionettes to lure in additional victims. Warning. If you see one of these, please contact us, SCP or Trevor Henderson. Illustration. Giant Puppeteer compared to the city. If you see Giant Puppeteer, please run to closest house and hide in there and contact us. If there's anyone nearby, tell them the incoming danger and everything about Giant Puppeteer, so they will help you with hiding everyone. Like we said, call us for eliminate or freeze Giant Puppeteer. That's all for today. SCP and Trevor Henderson Illustration presents